If you plan on using RightMessage to help you build quizzes, you're going to love our high score node. So let me show you how this works. I have a very simple quiz here that asks 3 questions. The first question is, do you like spreadsheets? And depending on how they answer, we either give them a point towards analytical or a point towards creative. Then we ask about pictures. Do you like to draw pictures? If yes, creative +1. If no, analytical +1. And then finally, we ask them what their favorite subject was at school. And depending on how they answer, they either get a boost of creative or a boost of analytical. At the end of this flow, I'd like to see which score is highest and then show somebody a special offer. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to drag a high score node out, and this will only illuminate if you have scoring set up in your flow. So here what we're doing is we're saying whichever score, analytical or creative, has the highest value, they'll go down that path. So what I can do here is I can add let's say a form that will be the results form for somebody who is analytically minded. And then I could do the same thing for somebody who is creatively minded. Now, in the event, which is impossible here, but in the event that somebody somehow got through this without answering any questions, maybe your widget was set up not to ask questions, it would go down the default and nothing would be shown. But if you're setting this up correctly, no one should ever go down this default path. So that's how easy it is to just simply sum up what scores somebody has and then show them a customized offer at the end of it. One thing I do want to mention is that in the event of a tie, so let's say analytical and creative have the same score, we're going to go based on whichever one is leftmost. So you can actually here redirect the order to be based on kind of the priority that you have. You would just basically make it go to the left or have it at the top of that list I just showed you. So hopefully this makes some sense. And this is, like I said, if you're using RightMessage as a quiz tool, which we're very good at being a quiz tool, the node type is going to be a no-brainer for you.